Hello, good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Nadeem Ahmed. I am the laboratory consulting, and I would like to discuss today about this corona diagnosis. How to diagnose the corona infected person. First of all, you have to know before the if any patient is suffering from say coronavirus, how to know you. If the patient if suffering from the coronavirus, the patient have the shivering and cold and respiratory virus and shortness of breathing. If these kinds of symptoms is seen if any patients, that mean patient may be suffering from the coronavirus. If you have seen any symptoms of any kind patient, you have to restrict and you have to make the isolations, wearing the gloves and to prevent the nosocomial infections and MARS, malignant respiratory syndromes and corona, to avoid to keep the marks on your face. If you will do it, you can save. Many people are talking about the arsenic album 30. This is the homeopathy medications. It also be increase the immunity to fighting the plegious immunity, viral immunity. You can increase after taking this. Some people are talking about that thing. Now we are discussing about this how to diagnose in laboratory cases that the corona is present in our body or not. First of all, you will diagnose at the clinical symptoms CPGs, and second thing you have measure. Second thing, you have measures bleaches, and you have to take the nosocomials and nasal swab, and second things sputum testing, and you can collect the blood from uncubital fossa. After collections, you can send the collections to PCR polymerase chain reactions, and you can do the ultratone plegis microscopy, electron microscopy. You can visibility effective pledges, you can see the virus of corona. These are the three steps of detection of the corona. As you can detect the IgG IgM antibodies from this test ELISA, and you can do it the PCR polymerase chain reactions. You can do direct electron microscopy, early detections, and generally local doctors can just only identify and diagnosis at the basis of the symptom. Before the treatment, there is a no any cure, there is a no any treatment in allopathy, homeopathy, there is nothing. But you have to taking the precautions, wearing the gloves, and keeping masks on your face, and don't be panic to corona. Don't be panic to corona. We have to fight them. We have to fight them, and we can easily prevent. If you have to sneezing coming, so you have to arms you pledges things, and you have to display patience, and you have to eat the vitamin C tablets to increase your immunity. Vitamin C is also can be fight with the corona glycoproteins, and many people are creating the myth just like corona is can be killed at the 15-degree temperatures. Normally body temperature is 37 and 98 Fahrenheit, but corona is survive in our body. So how can you say that the corona can be killed at the 15-degree temperature? Never. This is the myth. Corona can also survive at the 40-degree temperatures because due to the his RNA glycoproteins on the surface. So please, my brother and sister, I'm talking to you about this please, and do not create the myth, and you have to follow rule and regulations which have to create this CDC, Control Disease Controller, and WHO, World Health Organizations. This is coronavirus is outbreak due to our thus wrong routine to eating and other things like sense. Okay, thank you so much. We have to meet in next videos. Like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.